What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details on this beautiful Tuesday, or is it Wednesday? I think it's Tuesday. Anyway, we just finished up this 2023 Integra A-Spec. This thing just came out absolutely gorgeous. So what we've done to this vehicle when it first come in, brand new right from the dealer, is we took the car, completely washed it, deconned it, prepped it, polished what we had to polish out, and then we wrapped the whole frontal in Xpel Fusion Ultimate Plus with the built-in ceramic coating. Headlights, grill area, all your black piano trim, full hood, wrap, tucked edges everywhere that possibly could be wrapped, badge off, then relayed back on. Done the mirrors, the A-pillars, all the door cups, door edges, rockers, doors up to the bottom, and then a lot of custom pieces because everything was not available for this car yet because it is so new on our dab machine. So one piece wrapped with Xpel Ultimate Plus Fusion, one piece. Jay done this, rear spoiler, no seams, no nothing. Came out beautiful. The black third brake light switch up there, and then he made a custom three-piece for the rear diffuser here. And it's, if you get on your hands and knees and stick your nose up and actually touch it with a magnifying glass, you'll see our lines. But come out super beautiful. And then we ceramic coat this with Ammo Pro enamel coating. Let that cure out, and then we used his new, it's a infused graphene wax from Ammo. The stuff is absolutely stunning, beautiful. I don't know if the camera will do it justice on this side, Kenny. Also, we did all the B and C pillars, rims off, ceramic coated, polished, the whole 9 yards. This thing just come out stunning, but the gloss is just insane, the depth and crazy. This is some of the work that we do here at Attention to Details. We take pride in everything we do. So the customers getting ready to pick this up, and when they rolled it outside, I said, guys, man, this thing, they just killed it. Love my team, the dedication, long hours, everything to do, but this come out beautiful. The customer's picking it up. So we just wanted to show it, how this car come out. It's in all of our cars, we like to come out this way. Kenny and I'll be behind the camera tomorrow, the next day, to make this week's video again for some vehicles we got inside. Really cool Porsche Macan 2022, beautiful vehicle being fully wrapped in Xpel Ultimate Plus Fusion, plus a bunch of other things on the go. So we just wanted to make a quick video on this vehicle, how it turned out. In the direct sunlight, I might add, there's not a swirl mark on this car. Thanks to Jose and Cody for the coatings, Kenny and Jay for the killer job on the Xpel. All of them together, this is the masterpiece that they brought to us. So anyway, if you guys need anything, 219-628-0288. This is Brian for the official Attention to Details in Chesterton, Indiana. As always, love and happiness. Peace.